Women in Manufacturing partnered with Corporate College because we wanted to provide our members with exceptional training resources. This is a program that is specifically geared towards women in manufacturing that are rising the ranks of their organizations.
Along my path, I've had roles in manufacturing, including solar panel manufacturing, safety systems, and automotive braking systems. Currently, I'm doing product development engineering for solenoids and engine components. I would like to be in a position of leadership just so that I can be able to help others.
I got into manufacturing because I was looking for a career change. It's very different than anything I've ever done before. Constant challenges, and it's very exciting for me.
There's so many women in manager positions, lead positions out on the floor. We have women leading our production plant. And it's nice that it's not necessarily a male-dominated field as it may have been 20 years ago.
Our main mission is to support, promote, and inspire women in manufacturing through networking opportunities, professional development programs, and through training resources that help them to advance.
WIM offers training through the Corporate College. They help you develop to be a manager. They have online courses. They have a library of courses that you can always go back to and search. They have networking events, corporate events.
As a graduate of the Women in Development Leadership Program, I felt like that was very instrumental in helping me in my job with supervising others. It gave me skills that I needed to be able to bridge the gap between the people I supervise and other individuals.
No matter how much that I thought that I could be a leader, it's actually given me so many more tools of leadership, as well as I actually now have a very great mentor that I met at a Women in Manufacturing conference.
The networking has been outstanding. I have established a great resource of people. I have a room full of ladies, women in manufacturing, in which I could absolutely trustworthy call them.
We have graduated more than 40 women in manufacturing from our management development program in partnership with Corporate College. And these women have gained actionable insights that they've been able to take back to their organizations that have greatly helped them advance, and we're very proud of this partnership.
I believe that my future is bright and I should be able to reach my goals now because I have more knowledge and understanding of what it takes to get there.